In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate with Squarespace Klaviyo. Today, you are going to connect your Squarespace store with Klaviyo, so your marketing data can flow properly. This is a straightforward setup, but it is important to follow each click carefully so the integration installs correctly. First, open Klaviyo. Once you are in your Klaviyo account, look for the main navigation area where you can manage tools and connections. From there, click on Integrations. After you select Integrations, you should see an option to explore new tools or applications. Choose Explore Apps so you can search for the integration you need. This step matters because Klaviyo integrates with many platforms, and the Explore Apps area is where you find the specific app that matches Squarespace. Next, use the search bar that appears in the Explore Apps section. Type in Squarespace. As you type, Klaviyo will filter the results and show matching apps. Then select the Squarespace app from the list. You may notice a small variation depending on how the platform displays the name in Klaviyo. Sometimes it might appear slightly different, such as being called Square. If that happens, focus on the Squarespace integration entry that corresponds to your Squarespace platform. The key goal here is to choose the correct app tile so you install the right integration. After you select the Squarespace option, pause for a moment to confirm you are on the correct integration page. You should be able to tell you are in the right place because the app name and details will be visible on screen. Then click Install. This action tells Klaviyo to start the setup process for the Squarespace connection. Installing is the step that moves you from simply finding the integration to actually enabling it inside your Klaviyo account. At this point, you may see a confirmation message or an installer screen. Depending on your Klaviyo version and interface, there could be prompts that help you complete the connection. If you are asked to confirm permissions or follow an authorization flow, you should complete it in the same spirit as the install button. The goal is to allow Klaviyo to access the information it needs from Squarespace so it can sync customers and events. If the interface gives you additional options after installation, take a brief moment to review what it says before continuing. Look for anything that indicates the connection status or readiness. You want to make sure the integration is not just installed in theory, but actually set up to begin communicating with your store. Even though the instructions you are following are short, it is still worth reading the on-screen status so you know you are finished when the connection shows as working. Once you have clicked Install and completed any immediate authorization, you can usually return to the Integrations area to verify the setup. If you see the Squarespace integration listed and marked as active, that is a strong sign everything is connected. If it still shows as pending, it means there may be one last prompt you still need to finish. In that case, go back to the integration page and follow the remaining instructions displayed there. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to integrate Squarespace with Klaviyo, starting from finding the correct app and finishing with the install so the connection is ready.